Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be focusing on algebra, but this time round we'll be expanding double and triple brackets. So the first question says expand w plus 4 and w plus 2. So when you're multiplying or expanding double brackets, you need to multiply the first bracket with the second bracket. So I'll just do an example here. So you do w times w, which is w squared, w times 2, which is plus 2w, and then 4 times w, which is plus 4w, then 4 times 2, which is plus 8. So you simplify this and it will be w squared plus 6w plus 8. Now the next question, we do y times y, which will give us y squared, and y times 2, which is plus 2y, then 1 times y, which is plus y, and 1 times 2, which is plus 2. Then you simplify this, will be y squared plus 3y plus 2. And question 2, we'll do a times a, which is a squared, a times minus 3, which is minus 3a, 5 times a, which is plus 5a, and then 5 times minus 3, which is minus 15. Then you simplify, which will be a squared plus 2a minus 15. Then for the next question, do g times g, which is g squared, then g times minus 4, which is minus 4g, and do 7 times g, which is plus 7g, and do 7 times minus 4, which is minus 28. Then you simplify this and it will be g squared plus 3g minus 28. Then you can press pause and try and do the last two questions by yourself, and when you're ready for the answers, just press play. So for question 3a, we do p times p, which is p squared, then p times minus 2, which is minus 2p, then minus 3 times p, which is minus 3p, then minus 3 times minus 2, which is plus 6. Then we simplify this, it will be p squared minus 5p plus 6. For the last question, we do y times y, which is y squared, then y times minus 4, which is minus 4y, then minus 4 times y, which is minus 4y, then minus 4 times minus 4, which is plus 16. Then you simplify this, that would be y squared minus 8y plus 16. So in the next two questions, we're going to be expanding triple brackets. So the first question says expand and simplify 2t plus 2 in brackets squared and 5t minus 3. So what I'll do first is to simplify 2t plus 2 in brackets squared, which is 2t plus 2 in brackets, open another bracket, 2t plus 2, and then we have 5t minus 3. So in this case, you multiply the first two brackets first. So that will be 2t times 2t, which is 4t squared, and then 2t times 2, which is plus 4t, then 2 times 2t, which is plus 4t, and 2 times 2, which is plus 4. Then you put that in brackets. Then remember, you still have 5t minus 3. So you simplify this first, which is 4t squared plus 8t plus 4 in brackets. Then you still have 5t minus 3. So now you multiply the first bracket and this second bracket. So you do 4t squared times 5t, which will give you 20t cubed. Then you do 4t squared times minus 3, which will give you minus 12t squared. And you do 8t times 5t, which is plus 40t squared. Then you do 8t times minus 3, which is minus 24t. Then you do 4 times 5t, which is plus 20t. And you do 4 times minus 3, which is minus 12. Then you simplify this, so that would be 20t plus 28t squared. Then you do minus 24t plus 20t, which will give you minus 4t, and then minus 12. So that will be your answer. And then for the next question, this is a bit simpler. So you do 4v times 4v, which is 16v squared, and 4v times minus 1, which is minus 4v, then 1 times 4v, which is plus 4v, then 1 times minus 1, which is minus 1. And you put that in brackets, and you have 4v plus 5. Then you simplify this first, which is 16v squared minus 1, because if you do minus 4v plus 4v is 0. Put that in brackets, then you open a new bracket, 4v plus 5. So you do 16v squared times 4v, which will give you 64v cubed. And you do 16 times 5 plus 80v squared minus 1 times 4v, which is minus 4v, and minus 1 times plus 5, which is minus 5. So that will be the final answer.